Imagine building a dynamic web application without a single line of JavaScript. Impossible? Here's a step-by-step course that will teach you how to utilize the power of server-side rendering to create a fully functional RESTful application in Python in a matter of minutes. Forget about heavyweight server-side or front-end frameworks. We'll be using a lightweight Starlette framework with its native support for Jinja2 templating engine. First, you will get acquainted with the architecture of the RESTful application we'll be building, a library that contains information about books. You will become familiar with the application's model, available methods, restrictions, and exceptions that will have to be handled on the server side. Then the magic begins. In just a few lines of code, we'll implement redirects and various types of responses, redirect, plain text, and, finally, template response to convert a textual representation of data into a beautiful web page. Now it's time to make the page interactive. With just two HTTP methods, get and post, we'll implement the full spectrum of CRUD operations to be able to create, read, update, and delete books from the library. We'll teach you how to work with path and query parameters to add even more interactivity to the app and implement a library-wide search. Finally, you will learn about Starlette session middleware and its crucial role in delivering feedback to the user about the success or the failure of an operation. We'll wrap up by suggesting a few optimization ideas and additional Starlette capabilities that you may want to explore on your own. Whether you're about to build your first web application or take your skills to the next level, enroll now and start your Python web development journey today.